Welcome to the discussion of isometric projections. Under this, we are discussing now isometric projection of composite solids. So here, what is the given problem? That is, a sphere of diameter 60 mm resting centrally on the top of a square block of base side 90 mm and height 25 mm and base side is parallel to VP. Draw isometric projection of the arrangement. Here, the first step is drawing orthographic projections for the given problem. That is, drawing top view as well as front view. While drawing the front view as well as top view, what we have to do is, here they asked us to do isometric projections. That means we have to multiply the true measurements into 0.816 except sphere. All objects measurements to be multiplied with 0.816 except sphere. Why it is so, that I will explain while doing the problem. So first we will construct the orthographic projections of a combined arrangement, that is square as well as sphere. First we will draw top view. Here square block dimensions are given, that is base side measurement is 90 mm and height of the block is 25 mm. So top view it is a square. Top view it is a square. While drawing the top view of the square block, what we have to do is we have to multiply the 90 and 25 into 0.816. So in the case of top view we will get only base image. In the case of top view we will get only base image. That 90 is to be multiplied with 0.816. That is called iso measurement. This is the square. After that, we have to draw sphere in top view. In top view sphere, it is a circle. In the case of sphere, if you look in any direction, it looks like a circle, and there is no question of reduced image. So we will draw with original diameter. As the square block height is given as 25, this 25 is to be multiplied with 0.816 as we are using isometric projection concept. Next, in the case of sphere, we use original diameter only. All objects look foreshortened except sphere. That's why in the case of sphere image in front view, it is a circle. The diameter is 60 mm. After drawing the front view as well as top view, then we have to move towards for drawing the isometric projection of the total object. So first we will complete drawing the isometric projection of the square block, then we will move towards sphere. Draw ground line. After drawing the ground line, then draw z-axis as well as x-axis. Z-axis is making an angle 30 degrees to ground line. Even x-axis also making an angle 30 degrees to ground line. Say z and this one x. After that, with compass, this ISO 90, that is side of a square, is a radius. Ground line, that intersection point of z-axis and ground line is a center. Draw an arc. Similarly, draw an arc on x-axis also. After that, parallel to this x-axis, passing through this point, then parallel to z-axis, passing through this point, the height of the square block is given as 25 mm. That 25 is to be multiplied with 0.816. Even that one has a height from different four corners of a square. Draw vertical lines to the ground line. After that, parallel to z axis. Parallel to x axis. After that, join two diagonals. At the top face. Say this is the center, or C1 to C distance is isoradius of a sphere. Isoradius of a sphere. Now at C1, original radius of a sphere, that is 30 mm, draw one circle. The observer is looking in this direction, so it is a front view. So this is 30 degrees, even this one also 30 degrees. Then for the observer, this is visible, this one also visible, even this height also visible. This side also visible, this base side, even this base side also visible. Next, this top base side, some portion is visible, even this portion also visible, whereas here this portion is invisible. In general, composite solids, we may not show hidden lines. In general, in composite solids, we may not show hidden lines. Next, here all objects look foreshortened in the case of isometric projections except sphere. So that's why here we didn't consider the iso radius value for drawing the circle. So all objects are foreshortened. For example, I say square looks like a rhombus and rectangle looks like a parallelogram, like that, whereas sphere looks like a circle in any direction. So it is not foreshortened. That's why you have to take original measurements. That's about the discussion of isometric projection of a sphere resting on a square block. I hope everyone understood well. Thank you.